Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what does OEM mean. So there is two edition of Windows that you installed on your PC. For example, there is the OEM or the retail one. So based on Microsoft answer by a user from Ricardo, so the OEM means original equipment manufacturer. That means when you purchase your PC, your computer manufacturer put on the OEM copy. So for example, if you purchase all in one PC, for example from Acer, Asus, HP, so the via Microsoft licensing right, OEM registered to motherboard, and when you change that piece of hardware, you need to purchase new retail version of Microsoft Windows 10. So based on Royal CDKs, when you install the OEM here, your OEM version Windows will be tied to your single PC forever. Anyway, you can uninstall and reinstall this version as many times as you want, but only one PC, or when you upgrade or change the part of your PC, you have to purchase the retail one. And if the retail one, a significant advantage of any retail Windows key is that you can install it any computer you want here. And also you can also transfer the Windows to different computer quickly as long as you deactivate the old device. So feel free to try, choose the retail or the OEM. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.